Over the past 4 years, we've grown into 4 markets across the country. We're working with homeowners as their liaison with the insurance company to make sure that they get the money that they deserve when a claim is filed on their home. And we negotiate the whole process from start to finish. Over these years, we've developed relationships with the insurance adjusters, and it's about treating them with respect. Instead of arguing over, hey, this is damage, why aren't you paying for it? We treat them with respect. We let them do their job. And at the end of the day, we're both there for the homeowner. So every customer of ours, no matter what's on their current house, we give them for free an upgrade to an IKO Dynasty architectural style shingle, backed by that warranty that comes out of the wrapper. I wouldn't have been able to grow without IKO stepping up, setting the goals for me, of how I can become a Craftsman Premier, what I had to do, what the steps were going to be, how many squares I was going to have to sell, how many, markets I needed to be, what type of installation requirements, all the schooling, all of those things were there for me to help me grow my business. What that means is that I can say to my customer, hey, there's only a certain percentage of contractors in Illinois that are Craftsman Premier. This is the type of contractor you want to work with. It means so much because not only does it separate us from other contractors, there's so many perks that go on with being a Craftsman Premier. We get a lot of help with marketing funds, truck wraps. I just had ordered some real nice coats that are coming that are going to have our logo and Craftsman Premier on the sleeve. There is no Robinhood without IKO.